Sauti said, O Brahmana, having heard these words from the god of fire, the Rakshasa assumed the form of a boar, and seizing the lady carried her away with the speed of the wind, even of fog. Then the child of Pihirigu, lying in her bed, enraged at such violence, dropped from his mother's womb, for which he obtained the name of Kiyavana. And the Rakshasa, perceiving the infant drop from the mother's womb, shining like the sun, quitted his grasp of the woman, fell down and was instantly covered into ashes. And the beautiful Pauloma, distracted with grief, O Brahmana of the Pihirigu race, took up her offspring, Kiyavana, the son of Pihirigu, and walked away